Hey traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the daily recap video. Happy Friday. It is September 14th, and we're looking here at the ES. Today we had some good two-sided action early on. The market reversed within the first half hour of trading, came down to a 5-minute level, really the top of the trading range, first 5-minute trading range from yesterday at the gap up, and then reversed higher. Took out the day's highs and then kind of just traded in a range until we finally broke down. Big orders came in up at this 2913 area, right around 9:40 in the morning, and we saw a nice pullback to retest the 2900 area or get close to it. Really just testing the lows from yesterday and the gap up, and then we just rallied back up close to the highs. You can see we finished up $1.50 right now, and so we had some good trading on both sides. You can see on the 240, nice big bearish candle up here presented a short opportunity early on that you could see it took it all the way down to the bottom of this wick, and that was basically yesterday with the gap. And then looking at this 60-minute, you can really see down in these two wicks was the lows from yesterday, and the market reversed and put in a low, touched the level once, and then came down and took that out, and then stayed within that range and really never looked back and took off for a nice 10-point move back up to the upside to finish out the day. And that wraps up the week. And so overall, it was a good week in the markets. You can see that we really basically just lifted above this breakout area. This was the retest early on, and this really was a continuation to the upside. And so it looks like we want to continue to push higher and make some new highs in the markets. And so we'll look for that next week and find some buying opportunities to push this thing up. It looks like we can at least get up to 2940, 2930 up in that area, just based on this ascending channel that we've been in really since early on in the year, April and May. And so we'll see what that presents. Looking for buying opportunities until we start taking out some really big daily demand levels. This market is continuing to climb higher. So that's it for us for the week. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and hopefully it was a good week for you as well. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below, follow us on social media, and check us out on simplyderivative.com. We'll see you next week.